Do you know what having a hiccup means? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm suddenly contracts by mistake. As the diaphragm is the muscle of breathing, this contraction makes air rush into your lungs. This makes your vocal cords suddenly close, producing the sound. Although they can happen randomly, some common triggers include eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, and sudden excitement. Of course, hiccups are mostly harmless and they usually go away on their own.